The Asian Indian Chamber of Commerce (AICC) serves as a pivotal platform for business owners, elected officials, community leaders, and individuals aiming to access resources and strengthen their network. In collaboration with Chugh LLP, AICC hosted its second business breakfast event of 2023 on April 19th. The subject of the discussion centered around doing business with the government and provided members with insights into the EB-5 visa program. Distinguished keynote speakers included Sheshe Segar, Alicia Peasant Hall, Anne Hartwig, Elizabeth Bennett, Dia A. Matthews, Rajiv Krishna, and Komal Dangi, amongst others, imparted their expertise, while the Mayor of Edison, Sam Joshi, was also in attendance. The breakfast was catered by Sarvana Bhavan and featured a delectable spread of continental and South Indian dishes.
Before that, I'd like to welcome all other speakers. Sorry guys, I'm doing it a little impromptu. So we have Sesha from New York, Supply University, Anne from Middlesex County, she's in procurement. We have Alicia Peasant, she's come all the way from Virginia. That really shows I feel proud about the fact that we are able to attract people from that far away. Elizabeth Bennett and Erin are from YMCA. They're going to talk a little bit about what YMCA can do for us and how we can help them.
Okay, thank you. So one of the themes for the AICC this year has been how to be a successful and diverse supplier or business in whatever you do. The people that you work with every day in your office, but also your clients, your customers, your suppliers. If you have been working in the year, and I have clients like this, right? Like who've been working here for years on H-1B or L-1 visas, and they have, income that they have, they have saved their funds. As long as they can show that they earned the funds lawfully, it can be from within the US. But you have to show that the investment was routed through the applicant, right? So sometimes people will say, hey, my father-in-law wants to, give me some money so I can get a green card. And that's fine, but then the gift deed and all of that has to be properly documented. You have to pay the applicable gift tax, or if it's a loan. Somebody today was asking me, can you have loaned funds? Yes, you can have loaned funds, but they have to be proper loans. I mean, I would show that, that there's interest payable, promissory note, and collateral, all of that. Okay, so with all of these, you can file the EB-5 application. It takes some time to get this adjudicated, and the advantage for Indian nationals often is that the time that the US government takes to adjudicate the petition, right, that will sometimes work in your favor, because if you have children who are on the cusp of aging out, then the time that the US government took to adjudicate the petition can be subtracted from their age. It's a little complicated calculation, but that's, again, another reason for many people from India to look into the EB-5 program. So, then you apply, and then you get your green card, and this is the conditional green card. And before the green card expires in 2 years, you have to file another application that is to show the government that you have actually met all the conditions of the investment. So that is, in a nutshell, the EB-5 program. Often when people come to us asking for EB-5, we also tell them that there is an EB-1, which is sometimes a better option for people who have their own companies.
So the commission is broken up into sort of two major areas. One is the Law Enforcement Bureau. So they are responsible for doing the intake, taking the investigations, and investigating complaints. Then there's the Community Relations Bureau, and they're responsible for educating the public on what we do at the Human Rights Commission, as well as doing outreach and educational programs. The Commission also utilizes restorative justice principles to address the harm caused by discrimination and bias. So at the New York City Commission on Human Rights, we prohibit discrimination in several areas: bias-based profiling by law enforcement, discriminatory harassment, employment, housing, and public accommodation.
My name is Komal Dangi. I'm Director of Supplier Diversity for Chamber of Commerce. This is our continued breakfast series. This series is focused on government, business, how to do business with Gov. With this series, we are trying to create a more inclusive, equitable environment for our community. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Maureen Abby-Squarice. I'm with Chugh LLP law firm, and we're here at the Asian Indian Chamber of Commerce this morning. We have breakfast networking events monthly here, where the local businesses come together and try to network with one another, get to know more about your local business partners, as well as other individuals here, to help one another foster relationships, as well as to grow here and nationally and internationally as well.
Hello, good morning. My name is Alicia Pazan Hall. I'm here on behalf of the Howard Hughes Medical Institute, here to partake in the business breakfast series hosted by the AICC in conjunction with the New Jersey, New York Chamber of Commerce. We are pleased to be here to talk about our supplier diversity program, and we look forward to sharing this information with participants this morning. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Ann Hartwig. I'm the Director of Purchasing for Middlesex County, New Jersey. Middlesex County's mission for purchasing is to make sure that we purchase all the commodities, services, and goods that the county needs to operate in fair, efficient, and free, open market. We follow the New Jersey Local Public Contracts Law and the rules that accompany it, as well as the New Jersey Pay-to-Play Law, to make sure that everything we do is legal and within the regulations of the state of New Jersey. We encourage any vendor who would like to do business with Middlesex County to go to our website and register as a vendor. Once you're registered as a vendor, you'll get automatically notified when opportunities are created for which you may want to respond. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Great to be here. I am Dia Matthews with the Chugh Law Firm in Edison, New Jersey. A proud supporter of AICC over the years. Very glad to be involved with AICC's theme for this breakfast series, which is supplier diversity. I'm here with my colleague Maureen Squarice, and we'll be talking a little bit about the different kinds of work we do in the diversity area. Maureen will talk a little bit about the contracts, the legal framework, and I'll be talking a little bit about immigration, especially EB-5 program. Very glad to be here, and great to see this amazing turnout today. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shay Seeger, and I am the Chief Diversity Officer at the New York City Commission on Human Rights. The New York City Commission on Human Rights is charged with enforcing the human rights law. And today I'm here at the AICC, the Asian Indian Chamber of Commerce Breakfast Series event, and I'm here to talk about supplier diversity and how we can ensure minority and women vendors receive city contracts.
My name is Rajiv. I'm the president of the Asian Indian Chamber of Commerce. We are gathered here today for the 7th of our breakfast series. Today it's all about how do you do business with the government, and we have representatives from Middlesex County, from New York City, from Edison. We have a good group. We have a good attendance, great breakfast, great energy. And please mark your calendar to attend our event on June 1, which is really a showcase event about our supplier diversity program. We've had these 7 breakfast series. And in June, we're going to gather all of them, all our speakers from all the corporates, great business opportunity exchange, great speakers. June 1 at the Palace in Somerset. Also, May is going to be a special month where we are going to have buyers from Sanofi come and talk to our members. So we're going to have 5 different category buyers, all willing to do business with our community members. So please come to Metuchen Golf and Country Club in May and to our showcase event at the Palace in June.